Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make sorbet without a blender. Start by freezing thin slices of fruit on a tray until solid, then pulse with a fork or potato masher to break into small flakes. Add a simple syrup or honey to balance tartness, stir in lemon juice for brightness, and freeze again briefly in a shallow dish until scoopable for a silky, refreshing sorbet. Collect a few basic tools like a metal baking sheet, fork, masher, and chilled bowl. Make a quick simple syrup by dissolving sugar in warm water and cool it before adding to the fruit. Slice fruit thinly and spread it evenly to freeze quickly, then scrape and mash in stages to create fine ice crystals. Adjust sweetness and acidity, refreeze briefly, and serve when the texture is soft yet scoopable. Brighten sorbet with a splash of lemon or lime juice to lift flavors and control sweetness. After reducing and cooling simple syrup, fold it into the mashed frozen fruit little by little until you reach a balanced taste. For variety, stir in chopped herbs, citrus zest, or a splash of liqueur at the end, then return the mixture to a shallow pan and freeze until it reaches a smooth, scoopable consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.